StewardX is a system that allows a guest to submit a request to the crew simply by pressing a button. On the guest side, unlike other similar systems, StewardX does not require the purchase of expensive stainless steel buttons for each guest area or the need to worry about recharging them overnight. Instead, guests can simply use their phones to interact with the system. StewardX is not just for calling a crew member. The system offers up to 8 customizable buttons. On the crew side, no more missed requests. There's no issue with RF range. The yacht's Wi-Fi is sufficient, allowing seamless and reliable use throughout the vessel. Even in the event of an internet outage, the yacht's Wi-Fi alone is enough to deliver guest requests to the crew station. StewardX allows you to create an unlimited number of guests or crew members. You can customize button names, decide which guests can see them, and specify which crew members will receive the corresponding notifications. The StewardX system is adaptable to yachts of all sizes. On a yacht measuring 20 to 30 meters, a single crew station located in the crew mess would be sufficient to handle guest requests. On a larger yacht, a dedicated crew station can be added to the bridge to handle requests directed exclusively to the captain. On vessels with multiple VLANs, a StewardX server can be installed in the network rack, while the stewardess, captain, and ETO each have their own respective crew stations. With the Who X Where feature, every crew member can locate guest users and other crew members in real time, even if they are not actively using their phones, as long as their devices are connected to the Wi-Fi. The system can also locate any Wi-Fi-enabled device, such as a Nintendo Switch, a phone, or even a UHF radio, as long as its IP address has been registered. On the left is the guest's phone. On the right is the crew station assigned to the stewardess, who could be standing in the crew mess. Since the StewardX server tracks each user's location in real time, the guest doesn't need to specify their location. If the guest needs anything, they simply open the StewardX app and press the desired button. Here, Madame is on the sun deck and wants a tea. She presses the tea button. The T button turns orange, indicating that the request has been sent. Previously, the T button was assigned to the stewardess. The stewardess's crew station will emit a long buzz every 10 seconds, and the display will light up. The new request appears at the top of the list in orange as Madame needs tea on the sun deck. The stewardess can acknowledge this specific request by clicking on it. This will stop the alarm and turn the request green. The T button on the guest's phone will also turn green, indicating that the request is in progress. Once the task is completed, either the stewardess can clear the task or the guest can cancel the request. StewardX can handle multiple requests simultaneously. Each request can be acknowledged separately. Requests meant for other crew members will be displayed in yellow and won't trigger an alarm. On the right, we have the stewardess's iPhone. If a guest presses a button assigned to this stewardess, a notification will be received simultaneously on the crew station and on the iPhone. Clicking on the notification opens the StewardX app. The app interface is exactly the same as the crew station. Through StewardX, the stewardess can monitor, acknowledge, or clear guest requests. Every action is logged under each request. In this example, the crew station is still assigned to the stewardess, but the iPhone belongs to the captain. The stewardess can send a message to the captain by selecting his name on the crew station. The captain's iPhone will receive a notification. Clicking on it will open the app, where he can read the message. Messages sent to the captain are displayed in blue. Messages sent to other crew members are displayed in gray. The captain can reply by selecting the stewardess from the user list. On the crew station, an alarm will buzz twice when a message is received.